In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can actually use the social network Pinterest and how you can use the power of affiliate marketing in order to earn money online. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. If this is the very first time you're in my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to your channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, we're going to be using a super, well, what I consider a super famous social network, and it's also a search engine, which is actually Pinterest. Most people don't know how to monetize it, so I'm going to show you everything step by step. Also, we're going to be doing what we call affiliate marketing, which is basically we're going to be promoting other people products and services in exchange of a commission. So with that said, you don't have to deal with customer service, payment processors. You don't have to create the product. Literally, you can follow these steps, and most importantly, you need to be consistent with the implementation if you really want to have great results. But all the information, it's going to be here. Something really important, guys, is that this is actually a real business model. And the reason why I'm actually really passionate about affiliate marketing is because it gives me the opportunity not only to replace one, but two full-time jobs. So if you're looking to earn some extra cash, because that's actually what's my scenario. I wasn't looking to replace not even one of my full-time jobs, but I was, barely making it. I was surviving, not even living uh, paycheck to paycheck. So that's the reason why I actually decided to go with affiliate marketing. But first, you need to educate, you need to learn, and then you're gonna have a lot of opportunities if you're actually really, really consistent. So let me share with you my screen because I actually want to make sure that we're gonna be on the same page. So as I show you, or as I mentioned before, we're gonna be using Pinterest and we're gonna be using affiliate marketing. There is a lot of marketplace out there, but for this tutorial, we're gonna be using this one, which is one of the most popular, which is ClickBank. Here on clickbank.com, you're going to have the opportunity to join as an affiliate by clicking here, or you can actually go and click here. Sometimes they do have a survey because they want to know, like, if you're getting started and all this stuff. Sometimes they don't, but the steps are the same. They're going to be asking you for your name, your email address, and other information. So as you can see, ClickBank has already paid over $7 billion in commission. This is the oldest affiliate marketplace. It's not the only one. There are others like JBSU, Warrior Plus, Commission Junction, and you're going to have the opportunity to promote as many products as you want because they do have a lot of categories. Here, for example, we have business, we have computers, internet, cooking, food, wine, games, green products, health, fitness, languages, politics, and self-help, and others. So which are the most profitable online niches are health, wealth, and relationships. Okay, those are the most profitable online niches. Diana, does that mean that I cannot promote any other product on these categories, as you mentioned? No, I'm not saying that. I'm just sharing with you the information. At the end of the day, you're going to be the one who's going to be promoting the product that you would like. I'm going to be sharing with you an example with a product that I used to promote in the past with Pinterest. So I know this actually works, which is this one. It's Stats Woodworking. This is a product that has been, I think it has been around at least 5 years, maybe a little bit more, maybe 7 years, maybe more. But this is a, as I mentioned, this is a top seller in ClickBank, and this is actually a product in which people are earning on average over $60. So if you want to earn $100 on average, you will need to actually be making 1.5 sales per day, not even two sales per day. Okay, so they do have a great conversion rate, which is 100%, 11%. So that means for every 100 people, 11 of them make a purchase. Okay, so that's actually really huge. They give you the opportunity to earn 75% commission on the front end and upsells. I'm going to be showing you more about that in a moment. So here on ClickBank, we're going to have different things. We have the sales page. This is what people are actually looking. We have the affiliate page, and we have the our link here. Okay, we're gonna grab our link here. So first, I'm going to show you this page, which is called the affiliate page. Okay, here you're going to see that they do have other products. Okay, here you're going to see a video that it's telling you more about this that woodworking. Okay, and here you can see, like, for example, you can earn up to $125 per sale with an 11% conversion. Okay, they do have hear more information like the earn per click. This doesn't mean that for every click you're going to be earning money. That doesn't work like that. It's like on average for every click, the you know the sales page get, because of the conversion rate, people are earning $2 on average. So you're gonna have here more information about it, more proof. And here's what something that I'm looking for. Okay, here you're gonna have the main page, the main offer, sorry, which is $67. But if people say no, there is a downsell, so they can have the opportunity to purchase it for 49. Then they do have an upsell for $39. If say people say no, they do have now the downsell for 27. Then they have another upsell for 39.97, and then they do have a recurring commission, which is $27 per month, and other split tests that they do have here. So this is the reason why people are actually earning over $100, or they do have the opportunity to earn over $100, with this product, because they do have this funnel. So that means that people can purchase not one but multiple products. Also, okay, what you can see here is that this product has been around since 2010. Okay, for 15 years by the time I recording this video. Here you have the huge commission. Okay, they are doing follow-ups and all more information. So they do have not only the page that I show you here, which to get a link, they do have other links as well. I'm going to show you which one is the one that we're going to be using for this. And you see that you're going to have like this ebook that show you how you can actually be an affiliate and all this stuff. Okay, so what else can I show you here? Okay, what else can I show you here? I'm going to show you, this is actually the sales page. Okay, this is actually the sales page. This page has been changed during the years. Okay, no, this is not the very first page that they share, but this is the one that they have right now with a video, like a scene of different things. And this is actually the sales page that is currently, so if you want to have more and more information about it. So basically people are gonna get, these woodworking plans, so they can actually follow them and they can actually build whatever they want or whatever they need. So they do have a lot of testimonials, all the stuff. This is some of the bonuses that your customer are gonna get if they make the purchase. As I told you before, the first price is $67. If they try to quit, then they're gonna get a downsell, which is actually $47. Okay, so with that said, here they do have other resources. For example, here they are giving us the opportunity to offer free plans. Okay, they're giving up the opportunity to offer free plans, and they do have these thank you page. This is actually the page that we're going to be using. Like, thanks you for free plans has been sent to your inbox. So here we have, this, all of these resources are the ones that they are giving us. Okay, so this is a program or a product that is actually converting pretty well, as I mentioned before. One of the cool reasons about why I decided to show you this with Pinterest is the fact that with Pinterest, you don't need to have a huge followers in order to get a lot of traffic. Here, as you can see, this page has less than 1,000 followers, but per month they're getting over 10 million views. And their pins are not something that you cannot do. Okay, as you can see, it's literally text and an image, text and an image, text and an image. Basically, this is what it is, okay? So I want you to take that into consideration because this is the reason why I'm suggesting you to go with this strategy. But something really important is that we can actually add our link to the paints, or we can actually, well, not or, and we can actually add the link here on our main page. Okay. So since Pinterest is a search engine, a lot of people are looking for information. Literally, you can actually put like woodworking, and you're gonna have a lot of really simple images that you can actually replicate. Okay, you need to be consistent with this if you really want to get results. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. Okay, so what are we going to be doing? What most people do, which is not the best way to do this, it's that they're sending this traffic. Like when people click, let me show you, for example, this here. When they click, you're going to see that they do have visit site. Okay. We want to capture this information. The reason why we want to capture this information is because it's, we already know that they're interested in this. We want to make sure that we're giving them enough opportunities to make the purchase of this product. So that's the reason why we are actually doing it. So we're going to be using a tool. It's a free tool. I'm going to be leaving a link below to this page, which is System.io. System.io is an all-in-one marketing solution, and you can open a free account. It's not a free trial. It's a free account by using the link below. They're not going to ask you for any kind of credit card information or any other way of receive payments. They're literally just going to ask you for your email address. And just in case that you're wondering, like, okay, Diana, how this plan works is this one, okay? How this plan works. And if your business is going to be growing, you don't have to worry about the fact that you are going to be like, okay, maybe the tool is going to be super expensive when my business grow. No, the limited plan is literally $97. As you can see, the next line here is literally just $17. You're going to have the opportunity to have 2,000 contacts, send unlimited emails, uh, send unlimited newsletters, have one campaign, tags, and other things. Okay, so how does this is gonna be working? Okay, you're gonna be creating an account using the link below, and your site is gonna look kind of similar to this one. Sometimes maybe you're gonna have a bottom here that says upgrade. Okay, so you're gonna go here where it says sites, then you're gonna click here where it says sales funnels. You're gonna click here where it says create. You're gonna put your name, a name. Well, not your name. Sorry about that. Your a name. This is just for internal use. If you already have a domain here, you're gonna connect it here. Then you're gonna click here where it says build an audience. Okay, and you're gonna click here where it says save. Okay, for this strategy, this is what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be giving away the ebook that they have for free. Okay, remember when we go to these pages, they're giving us the opportunity to offer free plans. Okay, so we can literally do that. And since we are actually going to be sending information, this is the page that we're going to be sending the thank you page. Okay, so here's it. So now you're going to choose the template that you want. Okay, you're going to choose a template that you want. And since this is going to be an ebook, you can find something related to an ebook. I like to use simple templates. Okay, but you can choose the one that you want. This is a drag and drops builder. You don't need to have any kind of design skills, any kind of coding skills. Literally, you're going to choose the template that you want. If there's some elements that you would like to delete, you can actually do that. For example, we can go with this one. We can go with this template, and I can replace this image. Okay, and we can also go with this one, for example. This is just me showing you examples. At the end of the day, you're going to be the one who's going to choose which one do you want to go with. If you want to go with this one, for example, or do you want to go with this one, you can actually feel free to go ahead and do it. Okay, so let's say that this is the one that we're gonna go with. So I'm gonna click here where it says select, and the system is already creating it for me. So I'm gonna click here where it says edit page, and I'm gonna customize it. Let's say that I already did. Let's say that I don't want to have this element, so I'm gonna click here and I'm gonna edit it. Let's say that I already edited. So what we need to do is that we need to click here, okay? And here on submit form, instead of sending them to the next step, we're gonna send them to a custom URL. Okay, what's gonna be the custom URL? We're gonna actually get the link here on the affiliate link. So we're gonna click here. You're gonna choose the nickname. Okay, this is actually your nickname, the ones that you set up. Okay, is the product have more than one page? You're gonna see it here. You can actually click it, and this is actually the link that you're gonna be copying, and you're gonna paste it here. Okay, so with that said, you're gonna save. So what's gonna happen is that people are gonna land on this page. I'm gonna save it, and when they fill out the form, they're gonna go to your affiliate link. So that means that Network Working is gonna be tracking, your information, and this is actually the link that we are gonna be putting on our pins. Okay, you can copy it here. So if you're ready to create a pin, you're gonna click here, create a pin. By the way, this is a business account. Okay, you're gonna upload an image that you can create on Canva. You can use AI to create it. You're gonna put a title, a brief description, and here you're gonna put the link. Okay, here you're gonna actually put the link. Uh, I suggest you to go and create several boards. That's the reason why you can see several. These are actually the boards. Okay, so this is actually how you can actually use Pinterest. You can create as many pins as you want, and you can promote as many products as you want. I suggest you to go with literally one Pinterest account per niche. Okay, again, can I have more than one? Definitely you can actually do it, but I suggest you to not use different boards with different topics. Make sure that you have your one account and use this strategy. Okay, please be consistent with the implementation. This is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.